everyone, my name is Ola Sulaiman. If you've watched my last video and you're thinking, oh, I'm supposed to be registered for self-assessment, I need to register for self-assessment and I need to do it by myself, this video is for you. Now, the different ways of registering for self-assessment with HMRC, and so is almost all the taxes anyway. Now, the easiest way of doing your registration with self-assessment is by calling HMRC. Now, I said it's the easiest way because all you have to do is to call, give them all the details, they'll ask you different questions, and then you'll be registered. However, the disadvantage is, if you're not lucky, you might sit on the phone for 45 to 1 hour before the call is being answered. However, if you call probably between 6 to 8 in the evening, that might be a less busy time, and you might get answered quickly. The second best way of doing it is registering online. What you can just do is to Google register for self-assessment and follow the step-by-step and answer all the questions that are being asked. Now, another way is getting professional help, really, just to make sure that you're doing the right thing, or have your husband or wife beside you and do it together. So it's not just you doing it and not making unconscious mistakes. Now, what are the information you would need when you're doing the registration? You'd need your national insurance number, your full name, your maiden name, your date of birth, date you moved into this address that you're living now. Now, if you can't remember the day you've moved to this address, just form one on your head, basically, because that's going to be your security question with HMRC. That's the reason why they ask the question. Your email address, your phone number. Now, when you've done this registration, HMRC would give you a unique tax reference number. It's also called a UTR number. Now, this UTR number, if you've been registered for self-assessment before, you'd have one already. So you need to get that number because you need this number for this registration as well. Now, usually you'd have to tell them since when you've been self-employed, and they would send a letter to you to say this is the tax return you need to submit. But at times it happens, you don't get any letter. If you don't get any letter within 6 weeks saying you've been registered, then you need to call HMRC again and inform them that you've registered yourself for self-assessment at so time. You're expecting your unique tax reference, because the purpose of the unique tax reference is that's what you'll be using every time. That's the reference number HMRC will use to you every time you need to deal with anything that has to do with your self-assessment. I hope this video helps. My name is Ola Sulaiman. Thank you very much.